PCIe 5.0 compatible products have been launched one after another, offering twice the speed and bandwidth of PCIe 4.0. PCIe 5.0 has a transfer rate of 32 gigabits. That's a huge leap forward in data-intensive applications that require massive amounts of data transfer. Today we're going to talk about PCIe 5.0. What is it, why do we need it, and what AEWIN has to offer. PCIe stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, and it's a standard that allows high-speed communication between different components like CPU, GPU, SSD, and network cards. PCIe enables data transfers between these devices at blazing fast speed, which can improve your performance in gaming, video editing, machine learning, and other demanding applications. PCIe slots come in various sizes, by 1, by 4, 8, 16, and very rarely by 32. The number after X tells you how many lanes that a PCIe slot has. Usually M.2 SSD use by 4 lanes, and GPU cards are installed in the by 16 lanes. And what is a PCIe lane? It is the physical link between the PCIe supported devices and the processors or chipsets. PCIe has been evolving over the years. Each generation is twice as fast as its predecessors. Currently, the mainstream generation PCIe 4.0 was released in 2017 and transfers data at 16 gigabits per second. And PCIe 5.0 operates at 32 gigabits, equivalent to 3.94 gigabytes per lane, as 8 bits makes up to 1 byte. On a device with a 16 lane such as a GPU, it's roughly transferred by 63 gigabytes, and on a device with 4 lanes like an SSD, that's about 16 gigabytes. PCIe 5.0 reduces the number of lanes required for the device to achieve the same or higher bandwidth than PCIe 4.0, which means more efficient use of the space and power on the motherboard and the devices. PCIe 5.0 is backward compatible, which means existing PCIe 3.0 or 4.0 devices can still work with PCIe 5.0. PCIe 5.0 offers a broader range of options when you are shopping for new peripherals. Many of us replace our storage drives and graphic cards at some point in the lifetime of the system. PCIe 5.0 will ensure that you will use the cutting-edge SSD and GPU released in the next few years to their full capability. Compute Express Link, or CXL, is a new way of communicating CPU, GPU, memory, and accelerators. It was initially developed by Intel and later joined by many tech giants like Alibaba, Cisco, Dell, and etc. CXL is based on PCIe but adds more features for computing and storage needs. CXL 1.0 was based on PCIe 5.0 and was released in 2019. CXL can share memory between devices. Normally, each device has its own memory, and if it wants to access data from another device's memory, it has to go through the CPU, which is slow and complicated. CXL allows devices to access each other's memory directly without involving the CPU, making data transfers faster and easier. CXL also supports devices to be connected in topologies like mesh, ring, or spline and leaf. These architectures can allow more devices to be connected in the system, providing more flexibility and scalability for data transfer. PCIe 5.0 was officially released in 2019 by PCI SIG, which is the organization that develops and maintains the PCIe standard. However, it takes time for the hardware manufacturers to adopt and implement in their products. The early devices that will support PCIe 5.0 are likely to be the server processors or network cards. For most consumer devices such as desktops and laptops, we may have to wait until late 2023 or early 2024. PCIe 6.0 was introduced in 2022. If PCIe 5.0 stays on schedule, we might expect PCIe 6.0 compatible products to make its debut around 2025. So what does AEWIN offer for this advanced platform? Let's discuss 3 models. AEWIN SCB1836, a 1U rack mount model supporting the 12th and 13th generation Intel Core processors, codenamed Alder Lake S and Raptor Lake S. This model has 4 expansion slots, including 2 PCIe 5.0 and 2 PCIe 4.0. SCB1943, a 2U rack mount model supporting dual 4th generation Xeon processors, codenamed Sapphire Rapids SP. It has 8 PCIe 5.0 expansion slots and dual full-height full-length GPU slots. Similarly, SCP-1946 is the AMD version of SCP-1943 that supports dual EPYC 9004 processors. In conclusion, PCIe 5.0 is going to be a worthwhile upgrade for an increased speed, efficiency, and future potential. For more information, please check out AEWIN.com, AEWIN at LinkedIn and YouTube channel. We hope you learned something new and enjoy watching this video. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you soon.